World Cup 2026. Know your rights before you travel. Don't get denied or scammed. World Cup 2026 is happening right now, but thousands of fans could get turned away at the border or scammed. As your law and life advocate, here's what you need to know before you book that ticket. Whether you're traveling from Europe, Latin America, Africa, Asia, or anywhere else, immigration rules, ticket issues, free speech limits, and safety concerns are more complicated this year. Stay until the end for a practical checklist you can download. Why this matters right now. With matches happening across the United States, Canada, and Mexico, millions of international fans are on the move. At the same time, we're seeing stricter immigration enforcement, investigations into ticket pricing, and past controversies around protests and symbols at stadiums. Knowing your legal rights isn't about being paranoid, it's about protecting your trip, your money, and your freedom. Let's break it down step by step. Section 1. Immigration and entry risks. First and most important, crossing the border. Current U.S. policies have increased screening for many travelers. Border officers have wide discretion. They can check your social media, ask to search your phone or laptop, and deny entry if they believe you don't qualify. Common red flags for fans. Recent travel to certain countries, social media posts that could be misinterpreted, insufficient proof you plan to leave after the tournament. Your rights at the border. You must answer basic questions truthfully. Name, purpose of visit, etc. You have the right to remain silent on more invasive questions. You can politely ask to speak to a supervisor or request a lawyer if detained. You cannot be forced to give passwords in all situations, but refusing can still lead to denial. Practical tips. Carry printed copies, not just digital, of invitation letters, hotel bookings, return flight, proof of funds, and ties back home, job letter, family docs, property. Clean up or set social media to private before travel. Have a backup plan and emergency contacts. If you're coming from a visa waiver country, double-check ESTA validity. Students and workers on visas face extra scrutiny. Section 2. Ticket scams and price gouging. Number 2. Tickets. Prices are insanely high and resale markets are full of scams. Attorneys general in states like New York, New Jersey, California, and Texas are actively investigating price gouging and unauthorized sellers. Your consumer rights. Buy only from official FIFA or authorized ticket partners. If you get a fake or inflated ticket, you may be entitled to a refund or chargeback through your credit card. Keep all emails, receipts, and screenshots. Report scams to the FTC, U.S., local consumer protection agencies, or platforms like Ticketmaster. Pro tip. If a deal looks too good to be true, it probably is. Never pay in crypto or gift cards for tickets. Section 3. At the stadium. Free speech and conduct rules. Once you're inside the venues, things change. Free speech is protected under the U.S. and Canadian constitutions, but stadiums are private property with strict rules. Pride symbols, political protests, or certain flags have created issues in the past. Know your rights. You can usually express yourself peacefully outside the stadium. Inside, you must follow house rules or risk ejection. Discrimination based on nationality, race, or other protected grounds can be reported. Record any incidents, audio plus video, discreetly and note names/badge numbers of security. Section 4. Safety, disputes and medical emergencies. Finally, general safety. Fan violence, theft, and medical issues can happen at big tournaments. Key advice. Document everything. Photos, videos, witness contacts. Different countries have different rules. US has strong self-defense laws but strict drug policies. Know local laws for emergencies. Know the local equivalent of 911 and your embassy's contact. Travel insurance that covers sports events and medical evacuation is highly recommended. Conclusion and seat. A World Cup 2026 is going to be historic, but only if you protect yourself legally. Drop your country or specific question in the comments. I'll try to answer or make follow-up videos. If this helped you, please like, subscribe, and share with any friend planning to attend. Hit the bell so you don't miss future rights guides. Stay safe, stay informed, and enjoy the beautiful game. I'm your law and life advocate. I'll see you in the next video.